Coffee, the good side to having a cup daily. If you have a deadline at hand or just need to knock out any form of sleep, for the time being, there is every possibility you will resort to drinking a cup or two of coffee. There's not much else in coffee apart from caffeine, yet we all drink it and take little time to know where it grows, how it's produced, and how it affects our brains and bodies in general. As much health as professionals advise that coffee isn't a healthy choice, study shows that 2 to 4 cups of coffee a day, based on a 6 ounces serving, offers more health benefits than you may know. Even as common and highly patronized as it is, many do not know that the coffee is the #1 source of antioxidants, and it is being stated countless times that antioxidant can help prevent cancer and heart disease. It also has a high level of soluble dietary fiber, which helps to manage blood sugar levels in people with diabetes. By helping insulin regulate blood sugar levels in the body, there is a significantly reduced risk of type 2 diabetes. That's not all, it improves short-term memory recall, as well as alertness and attention to the task at hand, because a cup of coffee is absorbed in the bloodstream within 15 minutes to 2 hours. In other words, caffeine helps process information and boost logical reasoning. Safe driving is a direct beneficiary of coffee consumption. All these and many more are reasons why coffee should not be outrightly ruled out as hazardous to one's health. Every good thing has a bad side. What is most important is to make sure you are drinking it in the right proportion. Thank you for watching this. If you find this video informative, do like and subscribe, and let us know in the comment below about sharing your thought in this. See you in the next video, and until then, stay tuned to aid the student.